egwu ogene ejewego ụka egwu ogene ejewego ụka egwu ogene ejewego ụka ogene m fụtara ụzọ ije egwu ogene ejewego ụka ogene m uje.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. Now this one is from the holidays. Yes, the Muslim had a wonderful Salah, and I hope if you're a Muslim, I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, this one is from the Cubanas. They had a massive one at the Villa Cubana in Abuja, the Ogene way, the Ogene standard, the Igbo Ogene cultural way. So expect nothing but cultural vibes, cultural music. Get your dancing shoes, get your head nodding as you enjoy this one. Nobody will say he doesn't like Ogene. Ogene is actually a very beautiful music that every Igbo man loves, and even some non-Igbos, everybody loves Ogene. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment after listening to this one in the comment section.
Follow ya, although not a legal colleague, you can
To ask you if that was an amazing one, because I know it was actually an amazing one. It was a dance for everyone. I hope everybody had a wonderful blast like that. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section. See you guys on my next video, and also don't forget